Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to maximize Cash App Boost. Alright, so the best strategy to maximize Cash App Boost is alignment with your normal spending habits. Instead of chasing, random boost, select ones that match purchases that you already make, such as groceries, food, and of course, transportation. Activate boosts before spending and confirm that they are applied to your Cash App card. Check boost availability regularly as they rotate often and may expire. Avoid making unnecessary purchase just to use a boost, since saving only matters when spending was planned. Strategic use turns boost into predictable discounts rather than impulsive incentives. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.